Hey everyone, welcome back. Got a banger video today. Today I'm going to take you along with a private helicopter tour from Seychelles, Mahe to Praslin to La Digue and back. So this is a video about what to expect. Is it worth the cost? What should you bring in addition to the sights you see? So come and join along. So the company I booked this tour through was Ocean Blue Travel. Cost 2,630 euros. They take your payment when you arrive to the airport. So just something to know. That's the Emirates flight. Can't wait for my flight back. You'll actually wait in the main terminal with the rest of the airplane passengers. You'll see a safety video. Then you'll take this van to the opposite side where the helicopter terminal is located. And since there's two pilots, I sat in the back. If there's only one pilot, you can sit in the front. So I definitely love helicopters, and the viewpoint from the helicopter was amazing. Although it was windy, the pilots were amazing to keep the helicopter stable. The flight itself takes about 15 minutes from Mahe to Praslin. And there's these smaller islands you'll pass by, pretty amazing to see. As a surfer, I always look for potential surf spots, such as this island here. And lo and behold, here's Praslin. As the pilots land the helicopter, your driver's already ready for you. For the aviation geeks, here's a full clip of the landing. So the first stop was the botanical garden. The driver asked me if I want to go in to explore or just skip it. As I was short on time, I just prefer to skip it. The first thing that struck me was this is Seychelles to me. This is lush, green, lots of coco de mer, and this is what I came to Seychelles for. The first beach is Anse Volbert-Cote. Next stop is Anse Lazio, which is a pretty big beach. Then after that, this is our boat transfer to La Digue. Definitely keep your cameras out as the channel is close to the beach, and you'll get to see all the granite outcroppings, the gorgeous beaches with nobody there, and this is Seychelles. But also to note, the channel crossing is about to get rough. The boat ride is about 15 to 20 minutes. And upon arrival to La Digue, you got two options, bicycle or golf cart. I chose golf cart. So first stop is Anse Coco. And compared to Mahe, to me, again, this is what Seychelles should be. So definitely come visit. The second beach is a lot smaller, a lot more crowded, but totally worth it. So you take a set of stairs down and you'll see this. And the most famous beach of all, of course, Anse Argent. This is perhaps my favorite beach of all of Seychelles, of all 3 islands I went through. So you start out with this path, then just take your time, explore, soak up the scenery. So hands down, Anse Argent is my favorite beach. And now back to the head. And even being another windy day, the ride was super smooth and so exciting to see the views from the helicopter, especially leaving the island. It's definitely worth it. So in summary, was it worth it? It's definitely very pricey. If you're short on time, you want to see the other islands, such as my situation, it's the perfect thing to do. It saves you just a lot of time. The other thing to do is book through the vendor versus through your hotel. I save about 1,000 euros from booking directly with the vendors, and that's the way to go. Things to bring, sunscreen for sure. So I made a fatal mistake in not putting in sunscreen, definitely got burned. But you're out in the sun, you're walking along the beaches, it's bright, it's sunny. The other thing to do too is just bring a light rain jacket with you just in case. The other thing to know is that the channel crossing on a boat is rough. So the captain was amazing. We actually did not get wet. But when you see the rolling waves coming in, it is not cakewalk. And once you get to harbor, it slows down. And also to note, a lot of locals are telling me the fast ferry sometimes gets really rough during the high wave, high wind season too. So a lot of people get seasick. So bring some seasick pills, Dramamine in case you do need it. And last thing I'll recommend is just enjoy soaking up the beauty of the nature there. In addition to the Digue is that it is such a small community. Just enjoy the time. So hopefully these videos has been helpful for you for Seychelles, and leave any comments you have. I'll try to answer everything, any questions you guys have. Click and subscribe, it'll help our channel out. See you guys next time.